This week, Apple unveiled iOS 26, introducing an exciting new design aesthetic known as liquid glass. This innovative look is not just a visual upgrade. It represents a significant shift in how users will interact with their devices. If you're eager to explore some engaging third-party applications that fully embrace this fresh liquid glass design, we have compiled a list of over 30 fantastic options for you to consider. Widgetsmith 8. You can find Widgetsmith 8 available for download on the App Store. This app allows you to customize your home screen with a variety of widgets, making it a perfect fit for the new design. Download Widgetsmith 8, https app/widgetsmith, ID 152368219. Dark noise is a must-have. It offers a range of soothing soundscapes to help you focus or relax. Download Dark Noise, https app/darknoiseambientsounds, /ID 14654395. If you're a podcast enthusiast, Overcast is an excellent choice. This app provides a user-friendly interface for discovering and listening to your favorite shows. Download Overcast app/Overcast, ID 8884222857. Pedometer ++7. Stay active with Pedometer ++7, which tracks your steps and encourages a healthier lifestyle. Download Pedometer ++7, https app/Pedometer, ID 712866167. Sleep ++ 4.7. Monitor your sleep patterns with Sleep ++ 4.7, an app designed to help you understand your sleep quality better. Download Sleep ++ 4.7, https app/sleep, ID 103844437. Flighty is a live flight tracker that keeps you updated on your flight status in real time. Download Flighty. https apps.apple.com/Flighty live flight tracker, ID 3588230. Look up, an English dictionary app that makes learning new words easy and fun. Download Lookup. apps.apple.com/lookup English Dictionary, ID 87256448. Card pointers. Maximize your credit card rewards with card pointers, which helps you keep track of your cards and their benefits. Download Card Pointers, https cardpointers.com/925. Craft is a versatile app for writing and editing documents, perfect for anyone who needs to create content on the go. Download Craft. apps.apple.com/us, app/craft, write docs, AI editing, ID 1487937. Keep an eye on your heart health with CardioBot, a heart rate monitoring app that provides valuable insights. Download CardioBot /apps/apple/current weather and stay informed about the weather with Current Weather, which offers detailed forecasts and alerts. Download Current Weather. apps.apple.com/apps/current weather alerts radar, ID 9613974. World Clock Widgets is an essential tool. Download World Clock Widgets, apps.apple.com/apps/world clock time zone widgets, ID 956377711. Gamery. Gamers will appreciate Gamery, an app designed to help you track your gaming progress and achievements. Download Gamery. apps.apple.com/apps/gamery track your games, ID 160776345. If you love skiing or snowboarding, Slopes is the perfect app to track your runs and performance on the slopes. Download Slopes, https app/apps/slopes ski snowboard, ID 64351983. Denim. Create stunning playlist covers with Denim, an app that allows you to design eye-catching graphics for your music collections. Download Denim, https app/apps/denim playlist cover maker, ID 153225042. Focus. Boost your productivity with Focus, a timer app that helps you manage your time effectively. Download Focus, https app/apps/focus timer for productivity, ID 975172440. Foodnoms. Track your nutrition with Foodnoms, an app that simplifies the process of logging your meals and understanding your dietary habits. Download Foodnoms, https app/apps/nutrition tracker Foodnoms, ID 14794616686. Croissant allows for easy cross-posting across various platforms. Download Croissant. https://apps.apple.com/us/croissant cross-posting ID 667028897. Money Coach. Manage your finances with Money Coach, a budgeting app that helps you keep track of your expenses and savings. Download Money Coach. https://apps.apple.com/moneycoach budget planner ID 9864219. Enhance your productivity with Paste, an app that offers a limitless clipboard for easy copying and pasting. Download Paste. apps.apple.com/us/app/paste limitless clipboard ID 967805235. Water Llama. Stay hydrated with Water Llama, an app that reminds you to drink water throughout the day. Download Water Llama. https://apps.apple.com/app/water tracker Water Llama-ID 145478585. And there are many more apps worth exploring. Country 4. Download Country 4. http://apps.apple.com/app/country ID 911668832. It's C intention. American Airlines. Download American Airlines. http://apps.apple.com/app/American Airlines ID 3826985565. Download Pastel. https://ips/apps/pastel ID 413897608 platform iPhone. Download Food Llama. http://apps/food tracker AI Food Llama ID 674386120. Download Lifton. https://apple.com/Lifton Gym Workout Tracker ID 414506169. apps.apple.com/app/breathe sleep focus Mind Llama ID 64449200320. Pocket Shelf. Download Pocket Shelf. http. Are you a developer with an app that features the liquid glass design? If so, feel free to reach out via email to share your updates. Best accessories for iPhone 17. Official Apple silicone and tech-woven cases. Apple crossbody strap. Beats iPhone 17 cases with a built-in kickstand. Anker Nano multiport USB-C charger. Mujo leather cases for iPhone 17. USB-C cable with a built-in LED display. Stay connected with Chance on various platforms. Threads, #Blue Sky, #Profile, #Chance-Miller. And Mastodon, mastodon.social, @ChanceHe. Don't forget to add 9to5Mac to your Google News feed for the latest updates. FTC disclosure. We utilize affiliate links that may generate income. You are currently reading 9to5Mac, your go-to source for the latest news about Apple and its ecosystem. Be sure to visit our homepage for all the current updates and follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn to stay informed. If you're unsure where to begin, check out our exclusive stories, reviews, how-tos, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more insights.